Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce footer size in your Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to customize or to go to your themes so we can start customizing it. And basically for that, you need just to click on your online store here in the sales channels panel and go and search for customize. By clicking on customize, you will find all the elements or objects for your website. And basically at the end, we will find the footer section. And here is our footer objects. And if we go to the footer, we will find all these editings that we can use or edit for our footer. But simply, as you can see, there is nothing concerning the size. For that, we will need either search for the theme settings or we can simply add some custom CSS. And for that, you will need just to add the class name or the tag name, which is the footer, as you can see. And add open brackets or block, and for that we will need to add the height. Then you will need just to add any height that you would like. For example, we can go for 90 pixel, and as you can see it has been reduced. Otherwise we can make it, for example, 300 pixel, and then it will be again bigger, and we can go for that however we like. And take in consideration the other elements inside your footer. So as you can see, if we make it, for example, 30, we can see that only the footer elements that is resized and not the elements inside it. So make sure to see any element that is inside the footer or not. And basically you can delete the footer, etc. if you would like, and do whatever you like. After that, you will need to make sure to save your changes, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.